Anyone want to let this baby know that it's her due date? I'm 40 weeks. I have moved on from hand expressing colostrum to pumping. I'm having some signs of early labor. I am scheduled for an induction in 4 days, and I don't want it. I will be doing all the things to try to go into labor. I slacked, so I need to call the pediatrician today and get her established with a pediatrician. Main symptoms: exhaustion, some cramping, some back pain. I don't sleep at night. I sleep during the day for some reason. Coming in at a whopping 180.5 pounds, 48 gained during pregnancy, which is actually not that bad, I don't think. I don't know, everybody's different. My stomach is, it's low. I was 1 centimeter at my appointment yesterday, and if I can get this going by myself, I'm gonna feel like I'm a wizard. And if you're expecting baby reveal, sorry, it's not happening. I'm not posting my baby on the internet, personally. Maybe I'll post the tufts of hairs on her little head. Ooh, see, I'm cramping right now, but I'm drinking coffee, so that one actually kind of hurt.